Have a shy boys, get in.
I can't believe it.
Bucket parcel for. Use parcel for, take a big quick goal and 24. 25 kilos of armour. Okay, you alright? I got from the fourth store in 5 days. I ordered something from a fucking Germany. And they can't leave it. What's your arse?
Cheers, bud!
Oh, good.
You're moving left here now.
Watch your rear!
I shouldn't have been there. Semi-auto! Semi-auto, boys!
Hey, 12 o'clock! Line next to cover!
Don't forget semi-auto on your pistol as well. Yeah.
Main barrier, one man.
One man.
Yeah. Big set, motion! There's no one in! Motion!
Move, Jamie, move!
Expanded!
Thank you.
Come on, fire!
It's keen, I'll give him that.
Good thing about the crate's actually got a semi.
Be dead, lads, come to me! Lads, if you're dead, come to me! And it's like they're all so empty, and then they're marching on. We're going the long way around getting shot at more. Welcome. Good, good, didn't see that.
Hey, well done, Thomas. Got a few there.
Well played, Thomas. I'll stop you. Oh yeah, you're also camping that rifle commentary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right side!
Fucking out!
Fucking out. DC up there.
Get hit! Take the hit!
What's that? The count on it.
Right, mate, I'm running. I'm running. Go. Right on the back door.
Oh, you got him. Me. Of course, I got no. That was literally. You got 2 for 1 there. You got. You're on the super fun button or what?
Yeah. Oh, dear.
Have they gone down to the other section?
At long range, I'd use the. You got to fall back 50 feet to regen. started over there. Oh, right, okay. Mike got you in the back.
That's on a 7.4 by the way.
Hey?
That's on a 7.4
Yeah, no, that's really nice.
Well, I had that built for
Thomas said he wants one like that. Yeah.
Yeah, she's booking it for you. She said she's found some cash.
If you're a hotel name and everything.
Yeah.
She ain't found any. You have to run down through that.
Oh no, I'll do it as well.
Yeah, everybody do it. Yeah.
We can have multiple angles. Anyone want to be volunteered?
It's the second time.
Jack, you've got no soul, get up there. You're virtually a virgin again.
Gordon. I still feel.
Yeah,
One at a time.
Oh, what a fucking fun that is. Just 5 of them.
they're going to get good paid.
We don't have to battery here.
They're all going to feel paid.
Right, semi-auto guys, room to lead your target. Well, those that have got the ability to go semi. Hold on, hold on.
Oh no.
There you go, video mode. Al, give us a countdown for 3, please. Next!
Go!
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 Next!
Go!
Next! Anyone else?
Come on, guys!
Hey! Welcome to Delta, motherfucker! Next! Anyone else?
Come on, guys!
Hey! Welcome to Delta, motherfucker!
Hit!
How'd they hit you? Hello!
Go! When the smoke builds up, move!
Hit.